Hi there! IKEA dropped a bunch of new products this year, and today I'm counting down 10 new IKEA finds, all under $5. These tiny IKEA treasures pack a punch when it comes to value, and yes, you heard that right, they all come at $5 or less. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Man, and this is my dog Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Also, all of the IKEA products will be linked into the description box. Now let's go! The first new IKEA find under $5 I have for you is the VÄLVÅRDAD Sink Organizer. Now this one comes at $4.99 and it's the perfect little caddy to keep your sponge, scrubber or dish soap in check. No more puddles or clutter, just a clean minimal vibe by the sink. It keeps everything neat, dry and right where you need it, plus it looks way cuter than just a soggy sponge on the counter. Next new IKEA find on my list is the Tinga alarm clock. Now this one has such a cute and retro design. For just $4.99, it's giving major vintage vibes without the vintage price tag, which I absolutely love. I love the pop of red, it's bold, playful, and it looks way more expensive than it is. This one is also battery operated, super easy to use, and perfect for both function and decor. Loving it. The next 2025 IKEA find under $5 is this cute and colorful throw that comes at only $4.99. This one is so lightweight, super soft, and just perfect for tossing over your sofa, armchair, or even on the balcony. The colorful design adds just the right touch of coziness without being too bulky. I just love the stripe pattern, it looks so chic, and at this price, you might just need one for every room. The next new IKEA find is the BRUGDHAJ Jar with lid, and for $4.99, it's kind of the MVP of kitchen storage. I just love the design, it's super minimal and modern. The lid seals tight, making it perfect for storing dry goods, snacks or spices. Plus, it looks great on open shelves and totally gives that organized but aesthetic vibe. Love it! Next up is this cute cushion cover, and trust me, this one looks way more expensive than $4.99. It has that modern, slightly retro pattern that instantly adds personality to any space. Just pair it with a plain cushion insert and your sofa will instantly get a budget-friendly glow up. Stylish, affordable, and totally underrated. The next new IKEA find under $5 is this portable kitchen organizer. This little guy comes at $4.99 and is perfect to keep your cutlery, oils, spices, and napkins all in one place, and easily movable from the counter to the table. It has such a cute handle, it's stylish and so practical. A bamboo beauty for under $5. Next up is the BRUGDHAJ Salt and Pepper Shakers that come at only $4.99. I mean, these look so organic and so natural. I actually have almost the same ones from H&M Home that cost me over $10 each, so this IKEA version is a no-brainer. Simple, sleek, and perfect for your kitchen table or prep station without breaking the bank. The next new IKEA find under $5 is actually a part of one of my favorite IKEA collections for 2025, and that is the Stockholm 2025 Tumbler. This one comes at only $3.99 and it's a total design win. With its beautiful color, elegant shape, and a subtle organic texture, it adds a touch of calm sophistication to any table setting. Such a simple piece that feels both modern and timeless, loving it so much. Next up is the Valvarat soap dispenser. This one is just $3.99 and just screams kitchen sink goals. With its clean, minimal design and easy pump, it's perfect for keeping your soap stylishly within reach without cluttering your counter. It's such a small upgrade that makes a big difference to your kitchen area. And last but not least, an old IKEA product that they released in a brand new color this year, and that is the Coogis Box with lid. This little box now comes in this gorgeous beige shade for only $4.99 and is perfect for organizing anything around your home. The lid keeps things dust-free and stackable for ultimate organization, which is so smart. All in all, a simple, stylish storage gem that's so practical. And that's a wrap for today's IKEA finds. Do you have any of these in your home, or you just found your favorite right now? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell allowing all notifications, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Another day, another sleepy Marcy boy. Are you looking at this mouth here? This snoot? Oh, Mars, you're snoozing all the time. You snooze, you lose, Mars. Look at this cute little tail. It's like he dipped it in paint. Okay, I'm not bothering you. Okay. We know you're so tired. You're working so hard, Mars. Follow me on Instagram so you can see all of the updates. Love you guys. Bye.